Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix fail to obtain IP address error in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go services. Then search here DHCP client. Right click on this, click on properties. Select here automatic on startup type. Then click on apply, click on OK. After that, close this window. Open your settings. Click on network and internet. Here little bit scroll down. Then select advanced network settings. Now you can see here network reset. Open this option. Then click on reset now. After resetting, go back. Click on system. Then select here troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshoot. Then you can see here network adapter. Click on run. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.